Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm going to try out some of the ColourArte products today. These are the primary elements. This is Mystic Blue and this is Love Struck. And I have already learned, but they do not actually make the color that it kind of looks like there, but that's okay. And then I'm mixing it with the Vivid PolyPour, which is an acrylic polymer blend, kind of similar to the GAC 800, if any of you have tried that. So we just need a very little bit of this. I thought you guys might want to see how they get mixed up. So that is the pink one. This is Love Struck. And then over here, we're going to use the Mystic Blue. Look how cool those look. And they come in these little spoons, which is just adorable. You just put a little bit in there, and depending on how much you're mixing up. And then get it all mixed up. That Mystic Blue is a little more green than I want, so I might actually throw another color in there with that one. This is the Love Struck. Comes out to like a nice magenta, which is really cool. So let's try adding, I'm going to add some Mediterranean blue in there. So I want definitely more blue than green. Might end up with a nice turquoisey color, we'll see. Throw a little more of this in here. And mix. There we go, that's better. It's more of a turquoisey. Cool, so I'm gonna get these really well mixed up. I just kind of wanted to show you because it's a little bit unique with these like dry powders. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to try these out in a pour. Alright, so I'm going to tell you real quick what we're using because it's quite a variety today. So this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, white, mixed with Decoart Pouring medium actually. I haven't really decided what I'm doing here, but and a little bit of water because I actually ran out of Floetrol, so I'm going to kind of use this as a base. I was going to kind of leave a little in the middle there, but I think maybe I'll just cover the whole thing. Like I said, I don't have a specific plan here. Just kind of have a bit of a picture in my mind. We'll see what we get. All right. So that's that. Let's go ahead and torch this real quick just to get rid of the base bubbles. All right. Now we're using those primary elements. This is the Love Struck. So it's a pretty like magenta. And then we're using this, which is a mixture of the Mystic Blue and the Mediterranean Blue. And then I'm using this, which is the 24 karat Extreme Sheen Gold by Decoart, mixed with Decoart Pouring medium as well. And then this is Floetrol with the Decoart Fluid Acrylics, purple, dioxazine. Anyway, so it's quite a variety of products here. Very interested to see how they will all react together. I'm going to start with the darker color here on the bottom. This is that gorgeous purple. And we're just going to make something cool, guys. Alright, let's get this pink in here. Here's our blue. This already looks super cool. And then here's the gold. Okay. So I'm going to kind of get everything out of the way, and then we're going to take a hairdryer to this. And I do have my hairdryer set to cool and on high speed. So here we go. All right, that is really cool. I don't think I want to do anything else to it. So let's see what develops. I'm going to bring you in actually for a close-up here. There are some just really cool parts, especially where all those metallics are kind of working together. So one second. Now this is the bottom left-hand corner. I can already tell you that this is probably my favorite. I normally start in the bottom right-hand corner, but look how cool this is. Anyways, here's the bottom right-hand corner. And you can see all these really cool cells developing. Up here, upper right-hand corner. I didn't push that stuff around quite as much. So there's still basically the line of paint in the middle. These are really cool colors together. Over to the upper left-hand corner. There's that gold popping up there. And back to the bottom left. So this was super fun. I definitely enjoyed these colors together and trying out these brands. Beautiful, bright colors. I will list all the materials down in the description. Sorry for kind of using so many different brands and stuff today. Yeah. But lots more experiments coming with the ColourArte products. I'm very excited to be using these. These seem like a lot of fun so far. And I will see you guys next time.